So, play with Kyra. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making mushroom cupcakes. So, let's start! First we need flour. We need baking powder. Now we need sugar. Now we need salt. Now we need eggs. Oh, sorry. Now we need decorations. Fractions. Now we need butter, flour, and melted butter. We need icing sugar. We need milk. Last one, we need butter. There's so much little butter. We need whisk and a bowl. First, flour. Yeah. That was big. The cooking soda. Oh my. Salt. Oil. Oh. Sugar. Oh, good sugar. Mix it. We need the butter. We need the eggs. Ooh, it's more like frosting. After some mixing, it should be like this. I'm gonna make 6 cupcakes. First, we have to put them in. Now let's put it with this. There's that. Then get it off. So guys, this is how it should be, and I can't put it in the oven. It's too hot. So my mom can Hey guys, now these crust that I know I have. No, get up. Get up. I want to get this off. Oh, you can put in the milk. So guys, this how should it look when you're done? So guys, it should be like that I just told you. Why is this thing not coming? Oh, that's dripping. So this is how your cupcakes have to be. And now let's put the frosting on it. So yeah. So guys, we have to make the frosting now. We have to put the frosting. So and the last part is decoration. Oh, there's a star. This is how it looks. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe. And I'm going to eat. Bye. Good. Welcome back and bye.